Okay. How many snowflakes?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Trace the 4. Good. How many snowflakes?
3, 9, 10, 11.
No, start with 1. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Trace the 5. Good. Good girl. And read this. What did this say? Read that word.
I.
What's this word?
10. 10, 1.
You can run? Good job. Read this sentence.
10, 10, 1.
What's this one say?
I 10, 1.
Good job. I'm so proud of you. Give me a high five. You're reading.